Hey everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter P. So P is a plain line letter and it starts on the plain line. So point to the plain line, go down to the worm line under the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and then curve all the way around down to the grass line. Okay, let's try that as we trace the lowercase p over here. Start at the plain line, go down to the worm line, trace back up, curve around down to the grass line. Okay, down to the worm line, trace back up around to the grass line. Plain line, down to the worm line, go around and end at the grass line. Plain line, straight down to the worm line, trace back up, curve around to the grass line. Start the plain line, down to the worm line, trace back up, curve around to the grass line. Okay, let me switch to blue. Start the plain line, go down to the worm line, trace back up, and then go around to the grass line. If I was going to do this the wrong way, let's say if I started at the skyline, straight down to the grass line, and then curve around, actually that's an uppercase P. We're not doing that right now, so we got to fix it and make it a lowercase p by starting at the correct line. Start at the plain line, go down to the worm line, trace back up, and curve around to the grass line. Okay, plain line, down to the worm line, trace back up, curve around to the grass line. Alright, that's how we practice the lowercase letter P. Thanks. Keep practicing.